Apple silicone case. It's not bad. So today's tech review, I'll be reviewing the Apple silicone case, the deep navy option. I'm talking about if it's worth it, my experience, and what you get out of the box for paying around 50, 60 bucks for a case made by Apple. So I have two of them with me and two of the phones. So this is one of them for the 12 Pro Max and one of them is for the 12 Pro. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. So like I said, I have two of these with me. I'm just gonna unbox one of them. So I'll just unbox the 12 slash 12 Pro. We get out of the box is a kind of a infographic that tells you how to put a case on a phone when it's like, hold on, you should be able to know how to put a case on a phone. It just, okay, so there's that. You get some plastic and, well, you get that. There's also some plastic in here, but I don't know where it went, if you even care about that. So you get some paperwork. That's cool, I guess. You don't really need this, but anyway, yeah. So I have two of these with me. Like I said, the 12 Pro Max in gold and the 12 Pro in a Pacific blue. And this is how it would look with, you know, a gold phone and a blue phone. Pretty nice. I got a bunch of notifications. Let me clear this up real quick. So yeah, let's first go over the 12 Pro one. Now I'm going to take this off. Like I said, it is the what we call it, the deep navy. So what we got is this nice kind of feeling, I don't know, material on the inside with your MagSafe ring, and then you have the silicone feel, nice feel. You got your little buttons and cutouts. You got little cutouts for the actual like speaker holes and stuff, and microphone hole. Not for the but it's not like it's kind of open. It's just, you know, you got little actual individual cutouts. It's kind of cool. And then you have these nice feeling buttons. They're made out of, you know, not metal, because on the leather ones you actually get metal buttons, I believe. So there you go with that. And yeah, pretty nice. So with using the case, now I haven't really gotten too many issues with it. Like I've gotten, you know, some finger like stains, or like, you know, what do you call that, like the finger oils and stuff on it. But overall, you just kind of wipe it down like, yeah, like a microfiber cloth, and just wipe it down. It's like no problem at all. So in terms of putting the case on, it actually makes a little noise and animation. So there you go. Get a little blue kind of, like it knows what case is being put on. Like this is a blue case, so it shows up blue, and that's kind of cool. Now another thing is that the you know, MagSafe wallets, and oh my god, the MagSafe accessories can hold the MagSafe wallets. For whatever reason, it's a little scuff in here. I don't know why it is, but you can, you know, put it on there and it magnetizes like that. Pretty cool. Same thing with the, you know, 12 Pro one, the smaller one. It can both hold, you know, MagSafe itself and then the MagSafe wallet, which is cool. And when it comes to grip and the overall kind of suction, it stays on there pretty good nicely. Now, if you watch my MagSafe wallet review, you will know that I said that it actually comes off like better, or it stays on better than when you have it no case and just, you know, phone and then wallet. Then it slips off kind of easily, but when you have a case on it, it doesn't really budge at all, which is good. Overall feels nice. I mean, the wallet, it's a bit big, or not big, but like the wallet compared to the size of the 12 Pro and the 12, there's not very much space. Now, if you compare it to like the 12 Pro Max, you got good enough space here for the wallet pretty nicely. So let's put this up here. It's probably gonna fall down if I keep moving this desk, but anyway, let's grab our MagSafe now. All right, that's on camera for no reason. And do that again. Get that animation in here. Nice. Now the suction on this one, pretty good. No, you know, it's not coming off anytime soon, which is good. You can just you know, put it on, put it off. No struggles there. It works nicely. Let's test out the 12 Pro Max case. Yet again, it works fine. It's basically what you expect from a case. Now, let's get on to if it's worth it or not. So, is there worth to spend 50 bucks on a silicone case made by Apple? I'd say yes, especially this color. It matches kind of with everything I feel, almost, I'd say. Gold, got the little kind of cool contrast, like gold and blue, or maybe I'm just weird, but, you got the blue and blue. Looks good on the sunlight here, and the light, I don't have any complaints with it. I haven't really, ran into any problems, like, finger stains. That's kind of to be expected with silicone and leather. Just wipe it off. You got MagSafe, MagSafe wallet. It stays on very nicely. Don't have any complaints there. I mean, it's what you get. It's the case. It works. You got some, some protection up here. That's nice. Always nice to see. Also, it protects, the glass and whatnot in the screen. So yeah, that is the review. It is worth it. I'd say you can go out and buy one if you're willing to if you're willing to pay 50 bucks for a case. So I'd say, go out and get it. It works completely fine with MagSafe. Nice, it's comfy, it's soft, it's everything you want from a case, because, well, that's kind of what a case does. I mean, not much to really cover on this, but yeah, I'd say I'd recommend it. And this is the tech review. This is Abstract, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.